Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix your Snapchat notifications. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app and then scroll down and then tap on Snapchat. And once you're inside Snapchat here, check to see if the notification access is on or not. Sometimes if this is toggled on, you might be facing the issue. Now simply toggle this on, and once you're done that, go back and here scroll down and then set it to as per your like. And now all you gotta do is tap on Snapchat notification settings, and here check to see if these all options are toggled on or not. And once you have done that, go back and try again. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Snapchat, then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.